Hello everyone. In Excel, go to special box is very powerful and it helps you to quickly select all cells that meet certain criteria. To open go to special dialog box, go to home tab and under editing group, click on find and select drop down and select go to special option. It will open go to special dialog box. There are two shortcuts to open go to special dialog box. Press F5 key. It will open go to dialog box. Click on special button and it will open go to special box. Or press Ctrl G and click on special button. It will open go to special dialog box. You can also add go to special option in quick access toolbar. So I have already added the option. So if you click on the option, it will directly open go to special dialog box. In go to dialog box, different select options are available, which would help you to select the required cells or ranges in the worksheet and can perform desired actions. The default selected option in go to special box is comments. Click on OK button and all the cells having comments are now selected. Press tab button and you can move from one cell to another which contains comments. In this sheet, we have sales data and the total sales is calculated using array formula and commission is calculated using simple formula. Now select the commissions value and open go to special dialog box. Now select second option which is constants and click OK. Now H8 cell is selected, which means that formula is mistakenly removed from this cell. So in this way you can identify the cells where the formula is missing. Now correct the cell value using the formula. Now open go to select dialog box again. Select constants option. The four options under formulas are enabled. Now remove all options except text option and click OK. All the cells having text value is now selected. The full name values are not selected because these cells contains the formula. Now similarly, select any cell in the worksheet and in the go to special box, select constants and select logical options. Click OK. Now the cells which contains logical constants value true or false are selected. So in this way, you can select constants value in Excel sheet using go to special dialog box. Now open go to special dialog box again, select constants and remove all options under formulas except numbers. Click OK and this time it will select all the numbers constants values. Remember, column G and column H contains formulas, hence these values are not selected. In go to special dialog box, if you select formulas and select the text option, click OK. This time it will select full name values only because all the cells which contains text formula is selected. Similarly, in go to special dialog box to highlight the cells which contains the formula that returns only numbers, you have to remove all other options except numbers under formulas and click OK. This time it will select total sales and commission values because both the columns contains formula which returns number values. Now in this list, we have data having few blank rows. Now to remove all these blank rows, select any cell in the worksheet, open, go to special dialog box, select blanks option and click OK. Now all the blank cells are selected. Go to Home tab and under Cells group, click on drop down below Delete Cells option and select Delete Cells. Select Entire Row option and click OK. All the blank rows are now removed. If you select a cell and press Ctrl A, all the filled cells near to active cell will be selected. So similarly, you can select all the filled cells using current region in go to special box. So select any cell and open go to special box, select current region option, click OK. All the filled cells around the active cell will be selected. Column G is using array formula. To highlight all the cells which are using array formula, select any cell in current array, open go to special box, select current array option and click OK. All the cells having the same array formula will be selected. In Excel, picture, shape and charts are object. And to select all the objects, select any cell in the worksheet, open go to special box and select objects option, click OK. All objects used in the worksheet will be selected. Press delete button. All objects will be removed from the worksheet. Row differences and column differences option are used to highlight the difference in the data in corresponding row or column. In this sheet, we have 3 months sales data. Now to highlight the cells of Feb and March month where sales data is different than January month, select any cell in January sales column. Now select all the rows which you want to compare. Now open go to special box, select row differences option and click OK. All the cells in February and March month where sales value is different than January month is highlighted. Fill any color and in this way you can quickly highlight the different data. Similarly, if the data is in rows, then to highlight the difference, select any cell of January month. Now select all the 3 rows to highlight the difference. Open, go to special box, select column differences and click OK. Click on fill color option. All the sales value of Feb and March month is highlighted where value is different than January month sales data. Precedence option is used to select the cells that are referenced by the formula in the active cell. In this sheet, cell B12 is showing sum of D2, D3, B10 and A10 cells. Now to identify or select all the cells which are directly referred in the calculation, select the cell B12, open, go to special box, select precedence option, both direct only and all levels options will be enabled. Keep direct only option selected. Click OK. All the cells which are directly referenced by active cell B12 is highlighted. Now in the cell D2 and D3 also contains the formula and they are referring cell B2 and B3. So to highlight all the direct and indirect reference cells, Select the cell B12 again, open, go to special box, select precedence option and select all levels under dependence. Click OK. Now all the cells which is impacting the calculation of cell B12 are highlighted. Dependence option is opposite of precedence option. It is used to identify if the active cell is used in any calculation or formula. Now in this example, to identify if B3 cell is used in any calculation, select cell B3, open, go to special box, select dependence option and click OK. Now cell C3 and D3 is highlighted because both the cells are using cell B3 in the calculation. Now to highlight all cells which are referring cell B3 directly or indirectly, select cell B3, open, go to special box, select dependence option and select all levels option. Click OK. Now this time cell E, E3 and B12 is also highlighted because both the cells are using or referring B3 indirectly. To select the last used cell in Excel sheet, select the last cell option and click OK. Cell F13 is selected. Suppose in the same sheet we have data in T25 column. Open, go to special box, select last cell option and click OK. It will select T25 cell. Next option in go to special box is visible cells only. To use that, we will hide some rows. Now select all the data using Control A, press Control C to copy the data and in new sheet, press Control V to paste the data. It will paste both the visible and the hidden rows. To copy only the visible data, select any cell in the data, press Ctrl A, open, go to special box, select visible cells only, click OK. Now press Ctrl C and in the new sheet, press Ctrl V. Now this time it will paste only the visible cells. Now in this sheet, we have used conditional formatting in column G and column H. Now to highlight only those cells where conditional formatting is applied, open, go to special box, select conditional formats option. It will enable both all and same option. Click OK and it will highlight column G and column H because conditional formatting is applied on these cells. Both column G and column H have different conditional formatting. To select only the similar conditional formatting, select any cell, open, go to special box, select conditional formats and select same option. Click OK. Now it will select only column G cells because all these cells have similar conditional format. To identify the cells where data validations are applied, in go to special box, select data validation option and click OK. Cell L3, L7 and L10 is highlighted because data validations are applied on these cells. Now cell L7 and L10 have similar data validation. So To highlight only those cells which have similar data validation, select cell L7, open go to special box, select data validation option and click same option. Click OK, and now L10 is also highlighted because this cell have data validation similar to L7. So in this way, you can use go to special box to highlight the cells which meet certain criteria. The location of Excel workbook is available in the description section. Download and use the file. Share your experience and suggestion in the comment section. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notifications of new videos. Thanks for watching.